Vince is crying. Show me how you sweep, Mia. Oh, nice job. Your mommy must have showed you how to clean really good. Yeah. Olivia, don't put that on my paper, please.
Why?
Because it's an important paper. You guys have lots of stickers out there, so you can go play with your stickers if you want something sticky. No, not that paper either. No, don't stick it on anything. Olivia, come back out here. Okay, we're gonna go out of my office. Come on, Olivia. Get your broom or your mop. Come on, Mia.
Let's change.
Come on, guys.
You're Olivia, I'm Mia.
No, still. Okay, come on out.
Hi, Olivia. Hi, Mia.
Okay, come on out.
We're sleeping and sleeping and sleeping everywhere. You know it's best to sleep in fair. Here. This is dirt.
Okay, come on out. We're done in here. So what's Vince crying about? No, Olivia, stay out here. Olivia, come back here.
We're gonna play jail.
You don't play in Mommy's office. Come on out.
I wanna play